Welcome to the new van.
Was actually clean the van, and we did that last night.
And today's task is actually moving our stuff into the van and getting it all organised and ready to live in. So we've sorted all our clothes out, and this is all we've got. We've got 2 each. This is all our winter stuff. We have a little tiny travel suitcase of summer stuff, but obviously that's not going to be used yet, is it, T?
No, because it's too cold. And as you see, I've got a coat on already. Rocky's bed's going in.
Done. I tell you what, we've since we've came in, we've done nothing but just smile. Like we was both stood at the door, especially because it's sunny at the minute as well, and we was just like, oh, this has all been worth it now. Now we're starting to move stuff in, it's awesome.
So the question is, will these clothes fit up there?
It's more the opening. There's loads of room up there, it's just the opening.
Oh.
Alright, deconstruct. That might not actually work.
Yes. It's probably not going to be practical.
Oh, plan might have backfired.
Looks like you have to get rid of some clothes, Liam.
Barely have any anyway. So I spent a few nights in the van so far and I've absolutely loved it.
Yeah, it's been so much different compared to the VW. I didn't realise how much of a difference it would be. I thought it would be nice to be able to stand up and to do like, be able to get dressed and just move about. But it's actually so much better than that, and this one feels like a home. Yeah, it feels kind of like a tiny apartment rather than an actual van. Like when we was in the VW, it really felt like a van. This one doesn't feel like a van at all, and we ain't even got windows in it at the minute. But we all still got loads of things to do, as you can see behind Tabitha. The silver door needs doing, and there's bits and bobs all around the van that needs doing, but obviously we can live in it now, and that's the main thing. We are going to be experimenting though with a few videos coming up, just trying out different ways of making videos and different styles and stuff like that, just to try and find what suits us best and what we enjoy making the most. So yeah, just expect it to kind of be a bit chopping, changing really in like the style of video and that lot. But we are going to be uploading again on Sunday. So at the minute we're just going to do Wednesday and Sunday and just see how that goes, and then kind of take it from there. But for this video, that's it. That's finished. We're not doing anything else. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on Sunday.